Today I'm about to take everything, put it in. So as you can see, it's working. I can be able to access the PlayStation and the internet and everything, and put everything together. I have a cooling fan, but the cooling fan is running via USB. I'm still waiting for a converter so that I can be able, because this is designed for, the pins are for PC. So I want from PC to PlayStation, so I'll use USB and have the RGB lights controlled using a remote control. I have everything running, including I've soldered the points where they enter from here to the battery, and then yeah, basically that's it. The back side looks like this. So as you can see, I don't have the Blu-ray drive, so I can be able to I wanted to add it, but the problem is where the pins sit. The Blu-ray drive doesn't sit properly. Either I have to put it outside, but I don't have access to where I'm going to be putting in the CD. So if I don't have the CDs, I can always go online and buy my games from there and then play from there. And then from there I can easily modify as I go and add more things. The next thing, I'm adding the fans, and then make everything sit pretty. And then over here, then I will have the Nano coming on, the Jetson Nano coming on this side. That will be a later project, but for now I just wanted it to be in the tower. So initially I wanted to put a Jetson Nano at the back, but after looking at the whole motherboard and the PS4, the way it looked at the front, it looked lonely and empty. So I decided to go for the second option, which was much more cheaper, was to get a gaming motherboard, just build a normal PC at the front and then have the PS4 at the back. But that's a later story. For now, I was just excited that the PS4 was working. So I settled in for the B550 Gaming Plus, and we'll see that in the next episode. For now, it's celebration time. It's actually exciting to have it work after taking it apart. I never did that in my life. It's my first time doing it and I'm quite excited. And the second of it is my first time messing around with a PC. I've been an Apple guy for day uno, so I've never built a tower, never put anything together like this. So it was quite an adventure. The next thing now is putting everything together. Well, I really like the project. Let me carry on. See you on the flip side.